Number 15. Could you describe to me how I can draw negative 85 degrees in standard position?
Number 15.
Yes. No? Okay, I'm glad we're going over this. So when it's in standard position, Nikki, tell me what you know. What does that mean? No? So there's two things about standard position. One, vertex at the origin. Two, positive x-axis is where the initial side of the angle lies. Okay, so that's something you might need to review, or want to review. This is a negative angle, so it's going to go clockwise from there. Okay, yeah.
For making the arc, when you draw the angle, is putting the arrow in the arc necessary?
It's not. Because if it's in standard position, and you draw it this way, I think it can be understood that it's a negative angle. Okay. The question was, is the arrowhead on the arc required? No, it's not. All right, Dan. I now want one positive coterminal angle with negative 85 degrees. Okay? Show one. Could you help us find one positive coterminal angle with negative 85 degrees? Could you help us find a positive coterminal angle with negative 85 degrees? No? Okay. So I'll go to volunteers. Terry? Tell us how you got that. Just add 360 to negative 85. Yes. Okay. So coterminal means shared terminal side. You want the terminal side to be in this location again. And the easiest way of doing that is to just go around another rotation. So it's like if you were to be here and then go around again another 360 from there. And you would end up with 360 plus negative 85, 275 degrees. That would be the angle that was in standard position. So we say 275 degrees is coterminal with negative 85 degrees. Question?
When you're like adding the angles, or like you have to like add an angle to it to like a terminal or whatever, do you start it from the standard angle or the terminal?
You start it from, well, it's not as simple as an answer as that. Whatever angle you give is going to be an angle in standard position, which means that it's going to start from the positive x-axis. So 275, there's 90, there's 180, there's 270. I need to go 5 more degrees. When calculating it, however, you're going to work with the angle that's given, because you're going to go from that point 360 or a multiple of 360 in one direction. I don't know if that answered your question. Okay. As of right now, the best I can give you is just add or subtract multiples of 360. Okay? And if I come up with something better, I'll let you know. Okay, another random person. Jessica. Could you tell me how to find a negative coterminal angle with negative 85 degrees? Okay, tell us how you got that. All right. So, like we added 360 here, we can subtract 360. because we want to go in the other direction. So negative 85 minus 360. Negative 445, yeah? Okay. So in 10 through 12, we want to find the smallest possible positive angle measure that's coterminal with a given angle. There are an infinite number of coterminal angles with a given angle, but we've constrained the answer to be the smallest one that's positive. So keep that in mind. All right, Nikki B. Do you have any idea how to solve number 10?
Yes, we do. 360
Mm-hmm.
plus negative 197.
Mm-hmm. Good. So if you were to draw negative 197, it would be here, the terminal side, that is. And positive 163 is coterminal with that. Okay? Feel free to draw things to help you understand. Any questions on 10? All right, Nakia, number 11. Any idea how to solve this one? But that's not the smallest one. Okay? So 511 is coterminal with 871, but it's not the smallest positive coterminal with 871. And you can know that by looking at the result. It's above 360. So we have to take off another 360. We have to go around again. Not only are you allowed, in this case you must. Okay. Jen Valdez.
Have you ever given a degree that big on an actual graph?
Good question. The question is, would you ever be given an angle that big on an actual graph?
I don't know. I can't find it.
So, in the sense of a triangle, no. In the sense of a circle, no. In the sense of what are called periodic functions, things that repeat themselves, yes. Okay. Good question. All right, Nakia, does that make sense? Okay. You keep adding or subtracting 360s until you get to an answer between 0 and 360. All right, Nikki S. Negative 31 degrees. Are you able to come up with a coterminal?
Negative 31 plus 360.
It's that easy. Okay, so then for these, you're adding or subtracting multiples of 360 until you get to an answer that's between 0 and 360. And feel free to draw things to help you understand. And I'll actually draw the 871 example. So 360 once around, 720 twice around, and I need to go another 151 degrees. So 90, so somewhere around here. And that is coterminal with 151. Okay, again, any questions on coterminal angles? Yeah. It has to do with 360 degrees. Good. Any other questions on coterminal?